Keep fake boogers in his nose.
What are you talking about?
We stuffed him.
Bronwyn's doing some slideshow magic, and that's a cat toy. Sierra? Sierra, can you act normal?
Everything I do isn't normal.
That's my tail. Owie. You're hurting me. Sierra, you're gross. You know the cat's like... Okay, well, go on with your life. Sierra, if that gets lodged in your throat, I'm not going to feel sorry for you. Yeah. I like your pants. I like your pants.
Take this. Oh, circus, afro, circus, polka dot, afro, circus. Ow.
And yes, I am sorry about the huge mess. We have been trying to sort socks. Yeah, this is our craziness. We have 6 family members and crazy cats that take them and like hide them somewhere. So yeah, I am sorry for the mess. Cool. Okay, well, bye. Say bye, Bronan.
Bye. Bye to your face!